Living life with low confidence is like sitting at the branch of the tree and cutting off its roots. Confidence doesn't come when other people appreciate you, it comes when you approve yourself. A beautiful life starts when you make a choice to be yourself. Now, where do I get it from? This muscle is within you. It grows when you start using it. Today, we are going to discuss 2 ways you can improve your self image. Number 1 is to watch your words. Watch your answer when your heart says, I want something. What is going to be your answer? Is it going to be, I can't do it because of so and so? If you're preparing a list of why you can't achieve your goal, please rip it and throw it off. Your past have got nothing to do with your future. You are enough. You just have to believe it. A bit of self-criticism is good so that you can always improve. But you got to watch the difference between I need to learn more and I'm not intelligent enough. You create what you speak. When you try to change it, do not fight with it. Like say, I don't want to put myself down. Your subconscious mind do not know the difference between want and do not want. It's just going to hear, put myself down. Instead, what you're going to talk is only about what you really want. Remember, the universe is listening to you. Number 2 is to bring your positive thoughts into action. You are defined by the actions you perform. A main reason why people fail is because they fear criticism. They fear failure even before doing what they need to do. Until and unless we do it, how can we even know? The only battle you really lost are the ones you never started. Your efforts are equally important as your thoughts and words.